Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Zobo, and this Zobo drink is so delicious. If you want to see how we got it done, stay ready and let's get right into the video. So here I have my Zobo flower. Zobo leaf is also known as Hibiscus flower. It's very beautiful, and especially the nuts people take this a lot because this helps you for blood. It helps you if you don't have blood in your body. If you know anyone who is sick, make Zobo for that person. Whoever is having shortage of blood, Zobo leaf will really help you. And we love it here because it is getting hot. Sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's cold. So get your Zobo leaf ready and let's get started. So here I have my boiling water in my pot. I'm making a large quantity, guys, so you can make to your preference. You can make small portion. You don't really need to make this big size. For me, I have a large family and we love Zobo in this family, so anytime I'm making Zobo, I'm making a very large quantity because one, I'm either sending it to friends and family, and then my family too will enjoy a lot of it. So all you want to do is get your Zobo leaf into the sieve and wash your Zobo leaf properly, and pour it into the pot right away and let it start cooking. The next thing you want to do, guys, is make sure your pineapple is nicely washed and clean. I'm going to wash my pineapple very well and chop it into smaller sizes. And here are my pineapple skin. Pineapple skin is always very good for your Zobo because it's very healthy and very medicinal, especially when it's cooked. So this is my pineapple skin. I'm going to add it to the pot right away. Make sure you have this. So add it to the Zobo leaf. Let it start cooking all together. Yes, while it's cooking, put your citrus. If you like to add orange, papaya, lemon, lime, if you like to add orange grapes, that's good. If you have beetroot and you want to add it as well, that's beautiful. So go ahead and add your citrus into this Zobo leaf. Let everything cook nicely. Trust me, this is very healthy. Add your cloves. Add as much as you care, but make sure your ingredients are evened. Okay, so I'm going to add my cloves. Right now, adding my cloves and cover it up and let everything cook nicely. I'm going to blend some more cloves and ginger, and then I'll add it all together. Sometimes I even add fermentus seed. I add like uda. I add black peppercorn. Yeah, we call it uzuza in Nigeria. I usually add uzuza as well. So I've added my cloves. I'm going to show you other things which I'll be adding to this recipe. I have turmeric here. Yeah, remember this is a very good drink and you have to make it good for your family to enjoy. Yeah, I have ginger. I'm going to clean this up nicely and I'll add it in. All of this has their health benefits and they are very good to go with this hibiscus flower. But make sure you know the quantity you're adding to all of these things. Here are my blended cloves, ginger. I added some garlic alongside. I'm going to add it in. Very good. And I'll allow it to come to a very good boil. I'll let it cook for like 30 minutes to 35 minutes. Yeah, so that everything will, get to marry each other. And when they get to your body, they work nicely. This will help you so very much for so many reasons. Here is my pineapples after peeling it. I'm going to chop them into some pieces. Here is my ginger and garlic. I'll add them to the pot after I have sieved my Zobo. So here I am sieving it, making sure that I bring out all those chaffs because you don't want to drink chaff, right? Yeah, I'll bring all of these chaffs out and make sure the drink is nice and well sieved. So here are the chaffs that came out from the Zobo. This is the Zobo leaf, so I'm sieving it again one more time. You can sieve as much as you can to make sure you get all those particles out of it. As you can see, those particles. Yeah, you can use this cloth they use for pap as well. So I'll sieve until I have made sure all of the chaffs are out of this Zobo. By this time it has all cooled down. Yeah, so you can see how thick my Zobo is looking. Very thick. Make sure you don't overwater it because you will not enjoy it. So yeah, I'm going to blend all of these pineapples into it, and trust me, it's going to be a very delicious Zobo. Turmeric, ginger will make your Zobo more healthier. I'm blending it here. After blending, you can see what it gave me. I'm going to go straight and add it to the pot. If you like to add sugar at this point, you want to blend some of your sugar and add it with some pineapples. You can see here I am going in with some more pineapples. Yes, add more pineapples to it, and ginger and turmeric as well. Add everything in. So at this point I'll add it, I'll mix it. I'll mix it. Guys, trust me, this drink came out so delicious. Like I said, it will help you to get some more blood if you're lacking blood. It is going to go to your liver, work wonders in your liver, work wonders in your arteries, in your veins, in your marrows, in your bones. It's very, very healthy. I don't know how much I can explain the goodness of this Zobo, but if you try it, you will really see how good it is. You can even search it up. You can Google it and research more about hibiscus flower. My family love this drink so much. My husband look forward to this Zobo drink every time. My girl Emanuela loves Zobo so very much. Guys, it can be very sweet and refreshing. Yeah, we can't wait to enjoy it. Look at that. See how thick that Zobo is. You can even add watermelon. You can add grapes. You can add apples. You can add any fruit of your choice. You can even add banana. I used to make big pot of Zobo in Nigeria those days, and I sell this a lot. I even taught so many people how to do Zobo, and it was always paying. You guys see the Zobo people, oh. Emanuela, tell us how it is.
It tastes so good, so delicious, and calming.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Enjoy it. It's so refreshing. Oh wow, that's awesome.
Try it and let us know in the comment section.
Give them some now.
Here you go.
It's so good. You guys, thank you for staying. Guchies team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful. Ciao, ciao.